Hi folks, I thought you might appreciate a short video clip to show what I've got on the go for Resurrection and beyond. This is in West London, in which I only have a small room in my girlfriend's house for my printing activities, unlike back home in Wales where I'm spoiled for choice. Even so, I try to make the most of it. So here we go. We have some dwarven bastions and the dwarven statue you saw the other day. Those two are the extensions for the dwarven cliff face. Oh, sorry, no they're not. They're the extensions for the bastions either side of the lakes. Another bastion, there's some siege towers which won't see a use this time, but almost certainly will in future events. There we have our brewery, and again something we won't be seeing this time, some of these amazing ships from Printed Scenery. Absolutely will make use of them for future events. There's my, that's what's that? Oh, that's a dark elf sacrificial plinth, I think. Another bunch of woods. I do enjoy making woods, again from Printed Scenery. I do love their stuff. We have a couple of ponds. I've had great success with previous ponds, following some simple YouTube tutorials. These will follow the same pattern, but these are going to be more of a chaos theme. Okay, currently just started printing that, believe it or not, is another dwarven statue, which would be the mirror image of that guy. And this here is just a simple tree canopy finishing off. I've had a bit of a tidy up this afternoon. You might not think so, but I purposely didn't film before having a tidy up. There we have some battering rams to go with the siege tower. Up here we have, yes, the mirror image of the statue. Some walls, some more trees, some desert terrain. That's all my spare bits. And some stuff I haven't got around to yet. Oh, if it ever happens, that's my Dutch pound conversion back in Wales. So in this corner, there's the rest of my real life project. Anyhow, that's another part of my vampire graveyard. Those are actually some Games Workshop fences, they're beautiful. Oh, here's my part of my 100 Knight Bretonian army. That's Ruined Chaos Tower. Here we have another pond. That's just a very small selection of stuff that I've put to one side for when I go and play with dear Gary. Here we have some lizard swampy features. There's some part of my orc village, a lizardman spawning pool. That's a wood elf feature. A stack of orc buildings. And yes, Tim, that's the roof of an ogre building. And those are the rest of the bits for my dwarf brewery. Oh golly, what are they? They're just some random bits I haven't got around to using. Huge pile of orc shields, bits and pieces, two random tubs of barrels and what have you left over at the moment. Here's my selection of ponies and carts, which some of you will have seen the other day. And what have we got left here? Oh yes, some more orc buildings. That's the shaman's house. That's the ogre building, ogre hut, whatever you want to call it. And some more orc buildings. These are probably a bit small. That's the proper size. But I thought they were too big, so I reduced the size and made them a bit smaller so that I could fit 4 of them on my print bed. But if I'm honest, they're probably a bit small, but they're gonna have to do. Okay, that's about it, folks. So those of you who are attending Resurrection will get to see these firsthand. So look forward to meeting you all. Bye for now.